Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all your photography enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Photography Kit. This kit is not just a protective case, it's a professional imaging suite designed to capture your creativity with ease. So let's get started. The kit comes with a stunning Kona leather protective case. It's not just beautiful, but also skin-friendly, antibacterial, and resistant to dirt. Available in two elegant colors, this case is designed to provide professional and powerful photography expansion functions, helping you capture sudden inspirations wherever you are. With the professional photography handle, you can flick the buckle to complete the assembly, transforming your phone into a camera in no time. This means you have more possibilities for mobile image creation anytime, anywhere. Check out these brand new colorful decorative rings. They add a unique touch to your kit, letting you express your personal style while keeping your creativity at its peak. The handle connects to your phone via a Type-C interface, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. What's cool is that it automatically pairs after installing the handle, providing low-latency performance. Plus, you can charge your phone with up to 90-watt power without needing to remove the handle. The handle comes with a built-in 1500 mAh battery. It intelligently charges your phone, extending its battery life by up to 20%. So you can create freely without worrying about running out of power. The grip is exquisite, giving you a professional camera-like experience. The physical buttons are perfectly placed for single-hand shooting, making it comfortable and intuitive. Whether you're shooting from low angles or capturing quick shots, this kit has got you covered. The two-stage shutter allows you to quickly enable the camera, focus, and take photos with just a press. The zoom lever lets you switch focal lengths seamlessly, and the video recording button can be customized to suit your needs. Plus, the new custom track wheel lets you adjust settings like aperture, shutter, and ISO effortlessly. With the new multifunctional expansion interface, you can quickly disassemble and assemble components with one click. Pair it with a 67mm filter adapter ring to match professional creative needs and achieve richer shooting effects. In the package, you get the protection case, a 67mm connector, and the handle. It's a perfect match for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, offering reliable protection without adding bulk. If you have the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, this photography kit is a must-have for enhancing your mobile photography experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!